Hi, in front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Firstly, just open Clock app and select Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now to add a new one, hit this plus. Finally, set up an hour at the top and click on Ring Once or Custom. If you decided to select Custom, tap on Days of the Week in order to set them up, or to exclude some of them, click on the same, now blue icons. Wherever you decided when you finished, hit Alarm Name and name your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Then tap on Ringtone and decide which option will be the best one for you. You can click on Weather Adaptive and set it up. Click on Spotify, log into your app and use music from your account. Tap on this device and pick any song from your smartphone. Or select one of those system ringtones, like Dreamy Jazz. Wherever you decided when you're done, just go back. Now click on this switcher next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm, and tap on Snooze. You can turn it off or on thanks to this switcher next to it, and then adjust it by choosing how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. When you finished, go back and tap on Done at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To switch it off completely, click on blue switcher next to it and select one of the available options. You can turn it back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. If you want to, you can also edit your alarm by clicking on it, changing wherever you want to and hitting done. Lastly, to get rid of it, hold it instead and tap on Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!